Let's be real, corners are where motorcycling gets fun and dangerous. You see a bend coming and either you lean like Rossi or tense up, roll off the throttle and pray. But taking corners like a pro, it's easier than you think. Let's look at some tips here. Tip 1, look where you want to go. I'm peering into the bend here right now, and I've got some precious cargo with me on the back, which means I've got extra weight, but no worries. This is the golden rule: your bike follows your eyes. Don't stare at the road in front of your wheel, look through the bend to your exit. Second tip, set up early. Brake before the corner, not into it. Get your speed and gear right in the straight, then hold steady throttle through the turn. Tip 3, body position matters. You don't need to hang off like Marquez, just lean your upper body slightly into the turn and keep your head level. And keep your arms relaxed, the bike handles better when you're not stiff. Tip 4, trust the tyres. Your tyres have more grip than you think, especially if they're warm and in good shape. Don't panic if you lean further than you're used to. Tip 5, practice on safe roads. Find smooth, quiet roads to practice your lines and lean angles. Build confidence gradually. No hero moves are needed. Now, mastering corners is what separates riders from just drivers on two wheels. So next time you see a bend, breathe, look, lean, and flow. Like and follow for more real-world riding tips, and drop a comment if corners still freak you out. This has been Angel Talk. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. I'll see you in the next one.